Look at this photo. And now look at this one. Before, after. Again. This one and this one. Would you believe a professional designer made these images? Nope. It's AI. Welcome to AI Builders Academy. Learn. Building Innovate with AI. Today I'll show you how to use a tool called Nano Banana from Google AI Studio to create professional-looking images in just seconds. No Photoshop, no complicated editing, just smart AI tools. So let's dive in. Step 1. Getting started. First things first, open up your Google Chrome browser. In the search bar, type Gemini Google AI Studio. Scroll down until you see Gemini 2.5 Flash. That's where you'll find the hidden gem we're using today, called Nano Banana. Click on it, and boom, you're inside Google AI Studio where Nano Banana lives. Step 2. Uploading a photo. Once you're in, you'll see an option to upload a photo. Click the little plus button. You can either upload a picture from your device or take one directly with your camera. For this demo, I'll upload a photo. Watch closely. Step 3. Writing prompts with ChatGPT help. Now here's the magic. To edit your image, you need to give the AI a prompt. And if you're not great at writing prompts, no problem. That's where ChatGPT comes in. You can simply ask ChatGPT to write a better, more detailed prompt for you. Copy that, paste it into Nano Banana, and let the AI do the heavy lifting. For example, I asked ChatGPT to write me this prompt. I want this photo of a person holding a shiny, glowing banana that looks like a diamond in a bright, professional studio setting. I paste it in, click Generate, and wait a few seconds. Step 4. The result. Wow, just look at that. The AI actually gave me an image where the banana shines like gold, glowing in the studio lights. It looks like something straight out of a professional designer's portfolio. That's the power of Nano Banana. Step 5. More examples. Let's try another one. I upload a new photo. This time I write a prompt asking, change the color of the t-shirt from black to blue and make the studio brighter and more professional. And there it is. Just seconds later, the t-shirt is blue. Perfect, clean, professional. Still not impressed? Okay, let's push it further. Let's upload a photo of a girl and ask, make the dress red, stylish, and fashionable. Seconds later, done. Brand new outfit, no tailor required. Or how about this one? I upload a costume and tell Nano Banana, transform this green costume into a diamond outfit that shines brightly. And look, Nano Banana literally turned fabric into diamonds. Unreal. Finally, just for fun, I uploaded a photo of a boat and prompted, make this boat look powerful, surrounded by a dragon breathing fire across the water. A few seconds later, I get a fantasy artwork that looks like it belongs on a movie poster. All of that instantly, with no Photoshop skills at all. Step 6. Why this matters. You see, Nano Banana isn't just a toy. It's a serious creative tool. You can redesign outfits, transform entire settings, add fantasy elements, or simply clean up photos for a professional look. And the best part? It's completely free, lightning fast, and easy to use. With smart prompts, especially ones refined by ChatGPT, you can get results that look like they were made by a top-tier designer. So, if you want to keep learning how to harness AI tools like this for design, business, and creativity, make sure you hit that subscribe button right now. This is AI Builders Academy. Learn. Building Innovate with AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.